All right, real talk. This whole video started because T-Pain dropped a Club Husband remix challenge. If you haven't heard it, his song's name is Club Husband. And look, he basically said, remix my track, flip the beat, make it your style. So as someone who's a music producer and looked up to T-Pain for years, I was ecstatic. Like, bro, this is one of my biggest inspirations. Just, he opened the door for creators. I'm in. But then I read the rules. The contest says that I cannot upload any remix that includes T-Pain's voice, which means no original vocals. So, I can't post it on streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, or even YouTube, unfortunately. So if anyone came here expecting a T-Pain featured remix, I can't legally upload that version. But I can release my own parody version of the song. So my vocals, my production, my concept is totally allowed. And yes, you will hear a full Investment Club husband parody at the end of this video, just like I always do in my long-form content. Now, here's the thing. Winners for the challenge will be selected and notified by December 5th, 2025, so I wanted to get a head start and involve this community and ask you guys for your help. So tag T-Pain in the comments, share this video, and help this idea get seen. Now, the remix itself is going to be on Instagram and TikTok, so just look up JustAVariation. But here's where I'm a little conflicted. I'm not just a music producer, I'm also a financial advisor building financial education content. So, of course, I had to find a real way to be able to merge these two worlds. So what I did was I did some brainstorming, and that's when it hit me. Investment Club Husband, because the original song's called Club Husband, but Investment Club Husband. An investment club's a real thing. If T-Pain's original idea is getting married in the club, mine is getting committed to wealth as a team, as a community, and as a mission. And, that is what inspired today's entire video. So, stay tuned. Alright, so if you're new here, I'm Jason, the wealth strategist who helps families and business owners move from guessing about money to growing their money with structure, strategy, and community. Now, if that's your vibe, welcome to the channel. Now, most people out here are trying to invest completely alone. They're scrolling for stock tips, chasing trends, panicking during market dips, and hoping that somehow something works out. No, that's not wealth building, that's stress building. That's like trying to build a relationship by texting once every 3 months, right? There's no consistency, no support, no plan. We treat money like a fling, but wealth doesn't grow through flings, it grows through commitment. Real wealth is built the same way that strong relationships are built. Consistency, structure, accountability, and longevity. And that's why so many people struggle. Not because they're incapable, but because they're alone. So investment clubs flip that entire script. Now you're probably wondering, what is an investment club? Well, an investment club is simply a group of people who pool money together, they learn together, and they research opportunities together, and they're able to vote on investments and share the gains. So everyone wins. That's where everyone participates, everyone learns, and everyone grows. It's not gambling, it's not hype, it's structure that's supported by the community. Now, for generations, wealth hasn't been built alone, it's been built in community. Families pooled their resources together, businesses grew in groups, neighborhoods invested together, and when people combine money, minds, and momentum, their opportunities multiply. When they go solo, everything shrinks. Investment clubs give everyday people access to the same advantages that successful communities have always used. So here's the thing, when you invest alone with $50, you're limited. But when 10 people each contribute $50, you're now investing with $500 a month, right? So that opens a door to larger stock positions, ETFs, real estate, private equity, income-producing assets, and diversified portfolios. Wealth is built on access, and investment clubs provide exactly that. Now you have some people saying,
"But I don't have a lot of money to start."
Look, I totally get it. I understand. Here's the thing. Investment clubs exist for people starting small. $25 to $100 a month suddenly becomes meaningful. That's like $3,000 a year with 3 people, $6,000 a year with 5 people, $12,000 a year with 10 people. Year after year? Well, that's generational momentum. And as I'm sure you know, one person investing alone is just guessing. A group brings more experience, more research, more perspectives, more insight, more checks and balances. One person might understand tech stocks, another person might understand real estate, and another person might specialize in understanding market cycles. So, collective intelligence, it wins. Now, you do have some people out there who say,
group decisions take too long.
I mean, that could be true. However, most financial mistakes also happen fast. Panic selling, FOMO buying, FOMO means fear of missing out, chasing hype, buying the top of the market, chasing bubbles. Investment clubs slow you down in the best way. Slow decisions equal research decisions, balanced decisions, and smart decisions. Now, if you've ever said, I'll start investing next month, and then 5 years pass, well, you're not alone. Most people don't fail because of money, they fail because of consistency. Investment clubs give you just that: monthly meetings, regular contributions, shared commitment, continuous learning, accountability that keeps you on track. And when the group shows up, you show up. And of course, you might hear someone say,
but I want total control of my money.
Bro, you still own your money. You still have your own accounts. You still make your own decisions. The club just adds structure, discipline, planning, accountability, and education. Structure supports freedom, and freedom without structure, that becomes chaos. So if you really break it down, you learn faster in a group because you learn through multiple perspectives. One idea becomes a masterclass when 10 people analyze it. And multiple studies have shown that people who invest alone hesitate, and people who invest in groups grow confident, and confidence leads to consistency. Investment clubs normalize financial conversations. Your kids are going to see you meeting, your family sees you learning, your circle sees you growing. You're not just investing money, you're investing mindset. So why call it investment club husband? Well, because it's a mindset of commitment. A husband shows up consistently. A husband protects the mission. A husband plans long term. A husband builds a future, not a moment. Investment club husband means long-term vision, disciplined behavior, shared purpose, generational wealth focus. Not just fast money, but forever money. Look, in the end, investing alone leads to confusion. Investing together leads to clarity, confidence, and consistency. So one is guessing, the other is growing. Investment clubs turn ordinary earners into collaborative builders with real potential. And just to be clear, I am not starting an investment club. This is strictly for educational content. But look, if you want more videos like this, if you want to dive deeper into how investment clubs work, or, if you think one day I should start a financial education community, well, here's what to do. Like the video, please. Subscribe, right? And then comment the word club below. And that's not so you can join anything. That's not what it is. It's just to tell me that you want more content like this. And of course, if you want to support my T-Pain Remix Challenge journey, follow JustAVariation on Instagram and TikTok, share the remix, and tag T-Pain in the comments. I would love to know what he says, because I don't know, I look up to this guy. Let's get this thing seen before winners are picked on December 5th. And now, like I always do in my long form videos, here's the full Investment Club Husband parody track.
We bout to lock and win. Tell that little budget that keeps stopping all your dreams again. And you ain't gotta worry about going back broke. Cause you done found what you've been looking for, real growth. Just a little bit of vision and grit. Now you in a long-term time. How you so smart with it? There goes steady flows with a wealthy mind. You ain't gotta pay for stress no more. Cause we just found what we've been looking for all along. Ownership, dividends, don't even sweat a bit. Discipline is our love language. Let them say what they say. You about to be like how they build a whole portfolio from the top. About swimming in dividends. You can buy and vote in the profits. Stack up with me. Don't take your trust from me. You need an investment club husband. Investment club husband. financially trusted husband. Baby, we up to something. You make me wanna fund something, stack it up, flip it and grow something. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Girl, don't take your trust fund from me. I'm your investment club husband. That's it. Look at the plan go crazy. Back it up with that big. Tell you where's we will bring you back safely. Fear ain't gotta say much. Till the shop back and shake and try to block wealth accumulation. I'm talking compounding 28K. Show up on time, but the games be late. I bet that if I hold it for the long run, we're gonna need calculators just to translate. You're just what I'm looking for. Just say I'm in, that's enough for me. So don't take a trust fund from me. P.S. your investment club husband. Investment club husband. Financially trusted husband. Baby, we up to something. You make me wanna fund something, stack it up, flip it and grow something. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Don't take a trust fund from me. I'm your investment club husband.
Dear wife, I'm in the leader role, planning and principles, paving a steady route. Dear wife, I'm in the partner mode, voting and diligence, leveling every doubt. Dear wife, I'm in the builder lane, capital discipline, watching the charts play out. Dear wife, I'm in the husband stance, loyalty, legacy, that's what I'm all about. In the market, my margin, my marriage in motion. My headstones with love is my safest devotion. My long term hold a permanent notion. When I say I'm invested, that's capital in motion. You got patience in your pulse, calculation in your smile. You're the type to build slow, be bless me in a while. You don't rush, you don't fold, you just deepen every mile. And every lesson you teach got commitment in the style. Risk rate, soulmate in a trust fund frame. Quick gains, big gains when we share one name. Cash flow, backbone into matrimony. Flame fact is assets in passion, that's our claim. And every dip I stay steady, never breaking the plank. As well, think I'm in bold growth where you stand. I'm in the pledge position, let me take your hand.
P.S. your investment club husband. Investment club husband. Financially trusted husband. Baby, we up to something. You make me wanna fund something, stack it up, flip it and grow something. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. P.S. your investment club husband. Investment club husband. Financially trusted husband. Baby, we up to something. You make me wanna fund something, stack it up, flip it and grow something. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Don't take a trust fund from me. I'm your investment club husband. Investment club husband. Financially trusted husband. Baby, we up to something. You make me wanna fund something, stack it up, flip it and grow something. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. Investment club husband. P.S. your investment club husband.